My YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about basics of four-stroke marine diesel engine. So let's move on to topic. What are the basics? Means four-stroke marine diesel engine means there will be four-stroke. That means as the name indicates, it completes one cycle in four-stroke of piston. For the one cycle there will be four-stroke of piston. That means four-stroke cycle means four-stroke of piston in one cycle. That means two complete revolution. That means suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. Okay, four stroke cycle means four stroke of piston in one cycle. That means two complete revolution will be there and one suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust will be there. These four combine to form one four stroke cycle. That means two complete revolution. And suction stroke. The stroke of the piston begins at top dead center and end at bottom dead center. Okay, a stroke means they start from the top dead center and end at bottom dead center. That is one stroke. In this stroke, the intake valve must be open while the piston pulls air and fuel mixture into cylinder by producing vacuum pressure in cylinder through its downward motion. The piston is moving downward as air is being sucked in by downward motion against piston. Okay. We know that stroke of piston begins from the top dead center and they will end at bottom dead center. In this stroke, we say intake valve must be in open position. Intake valve will be in open position while the piston pulls an air fuel mixture into cylinder by producing a vacuum pressure in the cylinder through its downward motion. The piston is moving down as air is being sucked in the downward motion against the piston. Okay. Then during combustion stroke means this stroke start from the BDC and end with at the top dead center. In this stroke, the piston compresses the air fuel mixture in the preparation for ignition. So from the name we can say compression stroke means the piston will compress the air fuel mixture in the preparation for ignition during the power stroke. Both intake and exhaust valves are closed during this stage. Combustion stroke, this stroke begins from the BDC and they will end at TDC. In this stroke, the piston compresses the air fuel mixture in preparation for ignition and during the power stroke, both intake and exhaust valves are closed during this stage. Then power stroke means this is also known as combustion stroke. Power stroke, expansion stroke, we can say we can call this power stroke, combustion stroke and all. This start from the second revolution. This is the second revolution means of the four stroke cycle. This stroke begins from TDC and the compressed air fuel mixture is ignited by heat generated by the high compression. This forcefully returned to the piston BDC. So there will be explosion takes place due to the ignition. So this from the TDC it will forcefully come back to the BDC. This stroke produces mechanical work from the engine to turn the crankshaft. Okay, this is known as power stroke is also known as expansion stroke or combustion stroke. This is the start of second revolution of four stroke cycle. Here the stroke begins from TDC and compressed air fuel is ignited by heat generated by the high combustion and forcefully returned to the position of BDC. This stroke produces mechanical work from the engine to turn the crankshaft. And exhaust stroke. During the exhaust stroke means the piston is returned from BDC to TDC. Exhaust stroke, the piston will move from BDC to TDC. While this stroke, exhaust valve will open and all exhaust gas will expels. Here means exhaust stroke means from the BDC to TDC it will move. Here in this stroke, exhaust valves open and all gas will be expelled out. Thank you.